Hello everyone, let's discuss about the concept of conic section, chapter 11, class 11, mathematics. Let's start the concept in detail. First of all, what is meant by conic section? In mathematics, a conic sections or just conic is a curve obtained by interesting a cone, more precisely a right circular conical surface with a plane. In analytical geometry, a conic may be defined as a plane algebraic curve of degree 2. It can be defined as the locus of points whose distances are in a fixed ratio to same point called focus in some line called directrix. Next one, conics. Here you can see that parabola, circle and ellipse, hyperbola, these are the part of conics. Here the discuss about the circles formula. X square plus a square equals to a square. It's a regular shape of circle. It's here in this diagram you can see that it's with this segment, sector, arc, center, radius, circumference, chord, diameter, and so on. Now, what about the parabola? When we cut this kind of conical diagram, we get the diagram of parabola. It's a parabola diagram. Locus of all points whose distance from a fixed point is equal to the distance from a fixed line. The fixed point is called focus and the fixed line is called directrix. You can see that here the diagram. What about the general equation of parabola? It's y square equals to 4px. Vertex is 0, 0. Focus is p0. Directrix is x equals to minus p. Next one, it's let us consider one example. Here it is, you can see that the y square equals to minus 6 as the diagram is given. Y square equal to 4px like that. With different values of p, we are having different kind of graphs. In this graph, you can see that the different value of p, considering the different kind of shape of parabolas. Equation of the given parabola would be the, consider about the, what about the, and how do we find the parabolas in nature like this? You can see that here it is the fountain like that. Here it is the image. Also, you can see that different kind of parabolas in life. A fixed point. It is the ellipse. Now discuss about the ellipse. Locus of the all points whose sum of the distance from the two fixed point is constant. The two fixed points are called foci. Here it is, you can see that diagram. The general equation of the ellipse is x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equals to 1. Here it is a greater than b, major axis, minor axis, 40, vertex, center, length of major axis, length of minor axis. So, as the diagram related ellipse, you can see that a is 2, b is 1, like that. We can draw the diagram of ellipse. Next one, equation of the given ellipse like this. We can draw the diagram of ellipse. Another, when b is greater than a, we can have this kind of diagram. Like you can see that the earth moves around the sun elliptically like that. We can see the elliptical shape. Now, what is meant by eccentricity? Eccentricity is a value of c upon a, focus divided by semi-major axis. Eccentricity in conic sections. Here it is, you can see that the diagram. F is called focus, L is the directrix, and E is the eccentricity of the given conical diagram. Circle as ellipse. When we disturb the circle, we are having the shape of ellipse. Now the hyperbola. two equal symmetrical diagram. It's a general solution of hyperbola is x square upon a square minus y square upon b square equals to 1. You should see that the diagram, we are having two symmetrical diagram. General equation hyperbola is y square upon a square minus x square upon b square equals to 1 according to diagram. And the eccentricity c by a, that is, you can see that e equals to 1 when we can say that the parabola eccentricity is 0 circle, e greater than 1 hyperbola, e less than 1 ellipse. Now eccentricities, e ellipse equals to 1 by 2, parabola equals to 1 and hyperbola equals to 2 with fixed focus f and directrix. You can see that the diagram according to this. Next one.